Hey guys, it's David again. Welcome back to another video from me here at Be More Social. I am the content manager and I'm here to help you, guide you through your journey with Be More Social. Now, one of the things that we're going to be talking about today is Google My Business and how it's literally vital that you have an account and you have it set up and you are verified on Google. Now, Google is your brain. Okay, let's think of it like that. Okay, Google is the be all and end all of everything on the internet. Okay, it's where you want to be. If you're not on Google, you've got a problem. Okay, whether you're doing Google ads or not, that doesn't matter, but verifying your business on Google will help with search, location, people finding you, your website showing up at the top of the listing, you know, and that's without doing any like paid promotion. Okay, and what we're going to do today is really going to help your business get to the top. Okay, so on Google, they have a specific term called Google My Business. Okay, so we're going to put that into our Google search engine right now, and I'm going to talk you through exactly what it looks like, what it asks you to do, the sign up process, and how basically we're going to get your business looking like ours does. So first of all, I'm going to show you what we want to achieve. So if we type in search Be More Social, you're going to see this pop up right now. Now, I'm a manager of our Google My Business account, okay, which means I can see this here. This is only for my eyes. However, on the right hand side, this is what you want to be looking at. The right hand side, this means we are verified, we are an official partner of Google, and we're showing up with photos, with our location, the website, Google reviews, everything on here populates, even the hours that we're open, okay? So this is what we want. This is what we want to look like. This is where we want our business to be, okay? There's even events and a bio and stuff like that down the bottom with our social profiles. It also shows you people have also searched for other businesses like this. So it's giving you recommendations. Okay, cool. So that really helps with all things, including SEO, but we won't even get into that right now. So now we know that that's what we want it to look like. How do we do that for your business? So we're going to go back to our Google search and we're going to type in Google My, there it is, business. So on the right hand side, you'll see that they've even got an official partner sign. Now, this is where you want to click, drive customer engagement on Google. That's what we want. Now, this is the main home screen, okay? You can go into detail, you can find out a little bit more about what it does and how it's going to help your business. But ultimately, all you want to do is click Manage Now. So you click on Manage Now. Now, this is going to obviously take me to my account. Okay, what it will do, if you haven't got an account, it will take you through the sign up process. And all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, it will use your Google account. So whatever account that is, it will use your Google account, and then you register your business as a partner. So you put in your website, your address, your phone number, your location, and you can even start uploading photos and stuff. So we're going to manage now. And this is going to show you what it looks like for me. Okay, so I'm going to just talk you through this Be More Social. I'm in. So I've logged in. I'm in my Be More Social Google My Business account. So now I can see quite a few different things. On the left hand side, we've got our menu bar. So we've got home, posts, info, etc. And then on the main screen, we've got all the things you need to know, really. So once you've filled in all the main details in terms of your location, where your like your website address, your phone number, and all that kind of stuff, there's obviously more that you can do. Now, this isn't a necessity. These are just added extras. So you can create a post. This could be an update, especially given the current circumstances. If you're watching this in 2020, we are in a current pandemic. So there's a COVID-19 update. Okay, so you can just say we are open for business as usual, or it could be we are closed but taking online orders. Anything like that, just to update people that are maybe searching for you on Google. Info, this is where it's going to display everything that you've basically given it to show up on Google. For example, we are a marketing consultant. That is our address. The hours that we're open, 9 till 5:30, Monday to Friday, 10 till 4 on a Saturday. And then the phone number and obviously website to get in touch. Now, one thing that you really need to be aware of with Google is the reviews. Okay, this is what's going to boost your ranking across across everything really. I'd probably say it's the most important tip out of them all. If you can start getting Google reviews on your profile, you're going to generate more authority, you're going to become a leader in your field, and new prospects are more likely going to want to work with you. So on Google, we've been pushing it for quite a while. We've got quite a few good reviews that we're really happy about. So we've got an overall 4.9 star rating on Google, which is obviously really, really high, and we're really happy with that. So start asking your customers to leave you a Google review. Make sure you've got it on your footer in all your email addresses, and when you're speaking to customers after they've bought your product or they've used your service, it'd be really great if you could leave us a Google review. Little things like that do make a big difference to your business. Okay, so I think that's everything. That's the basics of understanding Google My Business. Okay, if you've got any questions, if there's something in here that you didn't really get, usually it's fairly straightforward. Okay, yeah, I know I'm saying that. I work for the digital agency, but follow the on-screen instructions. Google's usually really helpful with trying to get you up and running on the Google My Business as like a verified partner. So thanks for watching this video, and be sure to speak to your digital guru about it. If you've got any more questions, please let us know through the message box to your guru if you've got any specific questions or videos that you want some tutorials on, and we'll be sure to do them. I've been David, thanks very much. This is Be More Social.